From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, here we go. Beautiful drone shot right around the KATC tower in beautiful Acadia Parish, and beautiful green fields across the area. We got soybean going, rice going out here, and you can see another tower off in the distance there. We're about 2,000 feet right here above the skies of Acadiana. You can see fair weather cumulus clouds out there. Just a pretty day across South Louisiana. Looks like a little bit of a fire there on the horizon as well. Always love those drone cams, especially when they're up high like that and you have that tower to play off of as well. So here's the big picture. Still a big fat ridge of high pressure dominating and keeping it very hot across Oklahoma and Texas today, but that ridge has moved a little bit back farther to the west. So what that's opening up the door is this northwest flow for a little bit of a disturbance up toward Arkansas, and maybe another one coming in as we round out the week to push into the area and just allow for a few more showers and storms tomorrow, and then maybe better rain chances as this upper level disturbance also tries to draw in a little bit moisture and instability from the east from a tail end of a trough that's been impacting the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. So better rain chances on the way, but till then, boy, the heat has been on. So we have excessive heat warnings going for a good part of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and then on up through Tennessee and into portions of Kentucky as well, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri. And for us locally, heat advisories in effect, but the advisory that's in effect for Acadiana will end at 7 o'clock this evening. Don't think it's going to be renewed tomorrow because we should see more clouds and some scattered showers and storms tomorrow, keeping most of our heat indices 108 or below, which is kind of that magic line. Once the heat index gets above 108 and our temperatures are near 80 at night, that's when those heat advisories are issued. Across the board, as we take a look statewide, radar is very quiet, but the exception being some pretty hefty thunderstorm activity that really hasn't moved from the North Shore by, the north portions of New Orleans by Lake Pontchartrain on down through the city. So more than likely, we're seeing some localized flooding conditions going on here because this storm hasn't moved a whole lot, and it could also be a reflection of that heat island effect where you have marshy areas all around New Orleans. Then you have the city of New Orleans. You have a little bit extra updraft, a little bit extra lift from that extra heat, and thus there you have that thunderstorm just kind of sitting in the same spot. Won't last forever, but right now looks like some locally heavy rainfall and maybe some street flooding over by New Orleans. Meanwhile, boy, it's a clean sweep on Power Doppler 3 this afternoon for Acadiana. No shower activity seen nor expected overnight tonight, but tomorrow things are going to change. Here's the GRAF model that's going to show you fair to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures starting out near 80 once again tomorrow. We get into the mid 90s, but we should see a few widely scattered showers and thunder showers across the area. I got rain chance 30% for tomorrow. You could argue down to 20% or 10%, but maybe even up to 40%. So we'll split the difference, go 30%. Better coverage off to the east. But then going into Friday, we see more of that upper level instability working its way southward, maybe even a few showers overnight tomorrow night into Friday, and then much better coverage of shower and thunderstorm activity for Friday, a good sea breeze front. So that should take the edge off the heat and hold us closer to the upper 80s or lower 90s on Friday. And then moving into the weekend, scattered showers and thunder showers. Saturday will be in the 30-40% range. Sunday should go down to maybe about 20-30%. Overnight tonight through daybreak tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 for your low, back into the mid 90s tomorrow with that heat index up there. And then as we move into Friday, notice temperatures again upper 70s to near 80, but not as hot on Friday with a better coverage of showers and storms across the region. Tomorrow, still that heat index still up there at 103 to 108 across most of Acadiana, but just below heat advisory criteria level. So that is pretty good. And then we go into Friday, we'll see those heat index values having a harder time to make 100 degrees. So that's the better news. Still hot, but not quite as hot. And that heat index again tomorrow hitting that 100-degree mark around 10 a.m. and staying above 100 through 6 o'clock. And notice where we see that drop down. That's where there's going to be some clouds and showers in the area for later tomorrow afternoon. Now, overnight tonight should be another quiet night. Yep, it's still July. 79 your low as the sun sets across the area. We'll have generally fair skies out there, a little bit past the quarter moon. Right rises real late tonight. Then tomorrow, another hot and humid one. That heat index still up there, but we will see a few more afternoon showers and storms and some darkening clouds, especially as we get into the afternoon hours, with maybe a shower or two. For the lucky few, we'll go 30%. That means a third of our audience should see some rain. And then we get better than 50-50 odds on Friday. Going into the weekend, very typical summer forecast continues next week, and still on track for maybe a little bit of a tropical wave Wednesday through about Friday of next week, which could enhance our rain chances once again, but still got lots of 90s in the forecast, and it's mid-July. We expect that for at least another 2 more months.
Yes, we do. Thank you, Rob. Stay with us. We'll be right back.